Hi honeys, this is the Queen Bee. This is an unboxing of the Sublime sampler set. I've never opened it, so let's see what's inside. Besides the adorable box, let's see, we have some serum, some eye serum, collagen mask, cellulite whisper gel, retinol serum, vitamin C day cream with SPF 30, cellulite whisper lotion, and deep hydration serum. Oh, there's one more. Facial oil. I love everything by this brand, so I'm really excited to be able to try all these new products. This box was provided for me by Sublime Beauty for my honest opinion, so stay tuned for video reviews.